Hello, and welcome to the first in a series of tutorials introducing you to the Local History and Archives catalog. This catalog is your gateway to information about the items held at the Mooresville Public Library's Local History and Archives. Our catalog contains descriptions of our holdings and in some cases provides access to digital images of the items. Please keep in mind that this catalog is a work in progress, so we hope you will bear with us if information is sparse in some records or if images are missing. Let's start with the home page. Here you will find a brief note on what types of things we collect, our contact information, some tips for using the archives, a description of the services we offer, and our hours of operation. At the top of the page, you will see that the catalog has four main sections: archives, library, objects, and photos. You can search across all four sections by using keyword search. You can browse a selection of random images. Or you can choose a particular section to search. For today, we'll just take a peek into the archive section. Here you'll find letters, postcards, family papers, etc. Just for an example, we're going to do a quick search in archives using the date 1918. And for simplicity's sake, I'm just going to limit our search to items with images only. So you click that little box right there, hit search again, and there you are. All your results have images. If you scroll down, you'll see that by default, 10 results are shown on the first page. You can click the page numbers to go to the second page, or the arrows to go back and forth. And you can also go over to the right-hand side here at the bottom and click the down arrow and choose how many items you want to see on each page. First thing we'll take a quick look at is this really cool postcard right here. It's a souvenir from France. If you take a look at the front of the image, you can see that it's very detailed embroidery on the postcard, which is I find is really neat. Right here at the top of the record is what we call the object ID. If you select this number and provide that to us, we can pull the physical item for you to look at in the room if you make an appointment. Let's return to the search results and take a quick look at one other item. For example, a letter from Davies to May McClelland. You'll see here images of the envelope, images of the letter itself, where you can see the handwriting, which some of you may or may not be able to interpret. But luckily for you, there is a section here where I have transcribed the letter word for word. So you should be able to read that in detail. Okay, we're going to stop here for now. Join me next time for a look at another section of our online catalog. Stay tuned.